factor that you've done dun sa past series ng Vivo One?
Para sa akin, malaki po yung pagkakaiba ni Doc Clyde and ni Reyes. Kasi syempre yung ginawa namin ni Aubrey nung umpisa, rom-com, and then now it's like a thriller yung genre namin. So iba yung dynamics ng acting doon. And here kasi iba na yung galawan ni Reyes eh. For example, how is he gonna react to the Bloody Nights? Nung Avenues of the Diamond namin, wala na pong ganun na nangyayari. So it's a very different story for the both of us now po.
Yeah, for me, well, same yung name. Samantha din yung role ko before sa Avenues of the Diamond. Now, Samantha pa rin, but ang difference niya, siguro yung, syempre, yung personality ng characters. Si Samantha, like, she's very friendly, bubbly, she likes to party. Right now, my character, si Samantha dito, she's feisty, fierce, brave, palaban, ganon. Talagang magsa-struggle siya to survive. So, yun naman, katulad ng sinabi nila, different genre to. So, malaki po talaga yung pagkakaiba ng series and the characters.
Thank you everyone, congratulations. Thank you, Bibi.
Okay, thank you so well, in ano naman, off-cam, like, mas naging close naman talaga kami. But, you know, on set, like, wala pa naman kaming taping together. But, yeah, we're preparing for the role. Well, me naman, I'm not new to this kind of genre because before, I've done, like, horror thrillers. So, really looking forward po dito sa character na to. And, yeah, it's a different, ano po sa amin eh, as a love team. Dito, yung love interest ng mga characters namin, isa't isa, but it's really different, no, hindi siya katulad na nung sa past series namin na very romantic, gano'n. Yeah.
Basta napag-usapan na rin namin ni Aubrey na with this new project, sobrang importante yung growth para sa amin as a love team na we can portray different characters and we can give justice again to these characters. So we're just very excited pag may mga bagong project natin natatanggap po.
Thank you and congratulations ulit.
Thank you.